reviewing this LEVOIT humidifier. Works really, really well. Easy top fill design. As you can tell, it's putting out the max amount of humidity right now. Runs very quietly. This knob gives you control how much you want it to put out. To give perspective, when I put it on max and fill it to the very top, right about here, or even here sometimes, it will run for about 8 to 9 hours. I'll put it on before bed and it's still running in the morning with just a little bit of water left. So easy to run all night. This lid just lifts. You can see where that comes out. Easy to fill. This part, just take off the lid and then take out and fill. And manufacturer does not recommend, I think, putting oil directly into the water. However, I have added a couple drops of lemongrass to my water and have had no problems whatsoever with this running smoothly. I've had it for about 6 months. Great investment, wonderful item. Here's my hand for scale and just a better view of it. Great little device.
So I just got my LEVOIT humidifier, and I am a fan of the LEVOIT company because I have a couple air purifiers from them, a large one and small ones, and I love them. I bought this particular humidifier because of the size, how easy it is to use, how quiet it is. And it comes with a 2-year warranty. You just have to sign up with a QR code and you'll find the batch number and the model number underneath it. So make sure you look at that and do that before you set it up with the water and everything in it. But this is at half max. And that's at full. Be sure to use filtered water. It's on the back. Information is on the back for you. I set aside my manual and everything just in case I needed it. And this nice little machine comes with 2 filters and it's easy to set up. I just got it and I set it up in less than 5 minutes. So if you're debating on what humidifier to get, go with LEVOIT. You can't go wrong. Hope I'm pronouncing it right.
In a 720 square foot apartment with the app set to absolute max, this thing struggles to get to 40, to be honest, but it struggles. It struggles.